it's still possible to get free Bitcoin either through mining, tipping, or airdrops. Getting started with cryptocurrency is possible through various methods allowing you to earn free Bitcoins. There are always accessible opportunities to complete small tasks and establish a small crypto portfolio. Before watching the full video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications. Tipping bots for free Bitcoin. The most straightforward way to earn free BTC in 2022 is by leveraging the power of tipping bots. These bots reside across the media networks, including Twitter, Telegram, and others. In addition, some bots will issue currencies that are not Bitcoin, but you can convert earnings to BTC through various exchanges and trading platforms. Popular tipping bots include Spice's bot on Telegram, and Tipper and TipJar bot on Reddit. There's also Doge Tip for Dogecoin, Stellar Tip bot, Coinapy, etc. Cryptocurrency games. While play-to-earn gaming is a popular vertical in the crypto industry today, there are many other games one can play without upfront investments. Dozens of games let users play to earn micro rewards in Bitcoin, BTC. While casino games are an option, there are other opportunities, including trivia games, Satoshi Quiz Show, skill-based games, THNDR games, task-based games, Alien Run, and many more. Mining BTC in your browser. Technology has evolved significantly. Even in the cryptocurrency space, crypto mining often involves dedicated and expensive hardware, although it is possible through a web browser too. CryptoTab is an excellent example of how anyone can mine Bitcoin through their browser. The process will tax your computer's hardware quite a bit and consume a decent amount of electricity, but it can reward Satoshis, the smallest subunit of a Bitcoin, over time. Crypto airdrops. Although it seems this concept has become less apparent in recent years, there's still money to be made with crypto airdrops. New projects come to market every month, and most of them will offer airdrops in exchange for social activities to help generate a buzz for this new venture. Although the rewards are not in BTC specifically, the earnings can be converted to Bitcoin through exchanges and other trading platforms. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications about crypto-related videos.